In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo typing in Gmail. We'll cover two simple methods that you can use to quickly revert any recent changes in your email composition. Whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, or prefer to click through the interface, these tips will have you covered. Let's start with the first method, which involves using keyboard shortcuts. This is a quick and efficient way to navigate any application, including Gmail. If you're working on a Windows machine, you'll want to press the Ctrl and Z keys together. This universal shortcut is designed to undo the last action you performed, be it typing, deleting text, making formatting adjustments, or even pasting content. It's an incredibly handy feature to keep in mind as you're drafting your emails, and it can save you from a lot of undoing typing errors or changes you've just made. For those of you working on a Mac, the process is equally straightforward. Simply press the Command and Z keys together. The functionality here mirrors that of Windows, effectively reversing your most recent action. Keyboard shortcuts like these are great for enhancing efficiency and smoothness when composing emails, saving you time, and keeping your workflow as seamless as possible. Now, if you're more inclined to use the mouse or prefer visual controls, let's discuss the second method, which involves the Gmail toolbar. While you're in the middle of composing an email, take a look at the formatting bar that appears at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar houses a variety of useful features at your disposal, one of which is the undo option. To access this, intentionally look for a small curved arrow icon that points to the left. This is your undo button. Clicking it will revert your most recent action, similar to the keyboard shortcuts we discussed earlier. This option is particularly useful if you prefer using the Gmail interface's visual elements, or want a tactile confirmation of your changes being undone. These methods provide a reliable safety net when you're dealing with an email draft. Mistakes happen to all of us, whether it's a slip of the finger or a quick change you aren't happy with. Remembering these simple steps can significantly improve your emailing experience. Using the power of keyboard shortcuts or the Gmail toolbar, you'll feel more confident and in control when communicating through Gmail. And there you have it. You've now learned how to swiftly undo typing and other recent actions in Gmail through two easy methods suited for different preferences and devices. Feel free to try these out the next time you're composing an email. Don't forget to explore and familiarize yourself with these tools to enhance your efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.